Okay, that was a...
Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Check it out, very cool. So we are out shooting this thing today. We're gonna do a little bit of video, a little bit of photo. We're gonna shoot some rollers, of course, because you know what this is. And we're also going to get a little bit creative with the head cam that we've got going on. Right now, we're putting the other plate on, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but check out that little sheep right in between the tips there. Yeah, you know what that means. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna have some fun. So we're gonna get a little bit of a POV driving action for you, and shit, I don't know, just come along for the ride. I also just noticed that the calipers are blue, and that is a little off-putting. Ooh, listen to those turbos. Let's see. Oh yeah, you'll be good.
I'm sorry, it's the way it is. I told you once, baby. I told you once, but I know. I told you once, baby. I told you once, but I know. It's just never gonna be for you and me, baby. It's just never gonna be.
All right, let's do this fly-by scene and then we're good.
Okay, cool, we're filming. We don't have a lot of time. We don't have a lot of time.
I'm not complaining.
Yeah, I know you're not. But then I have to listen to Eric bitch all the way back to the shop. All right.
Why not?
Hold on. Not yet. 1 sec. Turning it on. All right.
Good?
Yeah, good. He ended the call. Nobody there. That's really bouncy. Oh, fuck.
Okay, that was a...
That's so bouncy.
Just brought it back to the shop. Had a great time with this car. Great shoot. Got some great stuff. So, we'll see you all in the next one. That's Eric. This is Nick. This is R8. Can't rip the tag. There we go. Oh, wow. Eric's doing the full rinse down. One last look at the car. We'll see you all in the next one.
I told you once what I know. I told you once, baby. I told you once what I know. This is never gonna